Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update troubleshooters in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this problem there are some easy methods. First one guys, it's method restart, because restart will fix some common problems and errors. So once you restart, after restart still you are facing error, so try second method. Click on start, type cmd, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. If it will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now here guys, type sfc space scan now. So type this command and press enter. Guys, it will take couple of minutes. So complete this all scanning process, and once this complete, restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can try third method. Again click on start and type cmd, right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now this time guys, you have to copy and paste two commands I will give in description. So copy and paste one by one two command. So copy this first command, edit and paste, then press enter. Guys, it will take some couple of minutes. Copy and paste this third command, then press enter. So guys, it's easy and quick way to resolve this problem, and still guys you are facing problem, so you can try fourth method. Click on start, then settings. Now here click on Windows Update. Now here click on advanced options. Now click on guys optional update. Now here click on this driver update, and if you see any list of driver, so select and click on download and update. So all driver need to update, select that all and update that all driver, and after that restart. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve Windows Update troubleshooter in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.